It's about the relationship. You know, it's about the plays, but it's also about the relationship between the esthetician and the client, because you don't let too many people touch your face. So it's very important to have the trust and to put an effort into that. It's very important for me to make it very comfortable and relaxing, but it's not just that, it's much, much more than that. It's something that could be pleasurable, it's time for you, but it's also a big investment for your future. Lepa is Slovenian and it means beauty or beautiful. Specialties here at Lepa would be electrolysis, facials, and the anti-cellulite treatment. It's important to educate people why they have to come back in and why is it it's a lifestyle that you have. It's habits, new habits that you have to learn. You have to take time for yourself, and we always forget about ourselves. Kids, school, you know, family. It's the easiest thing to do is push our needs on the side. So if you know you're going somewhere where you can relax, but you're also doing something good and something effective, I think it doesn't make it so hard to adopt this new lifestyle. Upam, da se kmalu vidimo. Vedno ste dobrodošli v Lepa Skincare.